subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new budget smartphone under A series in India called Oppo A16E, and it is a slightly downgraded version of the earlier launched Oppo A16 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A16E supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Oppo A16E supports a single 13MP rear camera with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a large 4230 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features an face unlock system for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.4 by 7.85mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A16E has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 9,990 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 11,990 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be soon available for purchase in the country in blue, white, and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A16e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.